YouTube, got a fresh hot drop off today, man. Another hot drop off, man. They lining up, baby. They come from all over the world, cuz. SS Chevelle for the works, again for the works. SS Chevelle in for the works. Village or nothing, man. Come from all over how they get it. What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Get In There, checking in with a quick update, man. Got the Chevelle finally hit the lab, man. Been waiting, he been waiting on me a long time, man. Long time. Full restoration build. LSA crate motor, LSA. Going in, I did a little work to the LSA pulleys. Smaller pulley up top, bigger pulley at the crank, cam, training upgrade. Pour to dry the body. No, not pour to dry the body. I think we'll end up going pour to dry the body. And no, we're not doing the heads, but brand new crate motor. 4L80 from Jake's Transmission. Shout out to Jake's Performance, man, for taking care of me all the time over here, getting their customs. That's what we got, man. Got wheel brakes on it already. Frame getting took down, powder coated, sandblasted, powder coated jet black. UMI suspension, front and rear. It got a 12 bolt in it. I got to build the rear end, coated digital. You got new insides going in this thing. All new insides. Some different bucket seats. Whole new insides, man. Going in here. What else, man? That's it, man. Get in that customs, man. We working, man. That's all, man. You build it, they will come, man. Shout out to everybody that been supporting me, man. Day one, man. Come a long way, YouTube. You know. Whoever knew it turned into this, man. But it is what it is. I guess it's my destiny, baby. So, making these cars great again. Doing what I love to do. So, I got a couple love passions. So, I can honestly say, man, I never really worked a day of my life, man. I guess that's what you could say, man. Young OG. Never really worked a day of my life. Everything I did, I always loved to do it. So, hey. But, of course, we're going to go in jet black. You got to get the time code paint on it, man. Time code paint, jet black. No, we're not going jet black. I'm going the new time code black. It's called Blacked Out Black. It's a deep, rich black, man. 10 coats of clear, 2104, man. I'm gonna hose it down, 2104. 8 coats of clear, 8 to 10 coats of clear, wet sand and buff. It's gonna be a monster, man. This gonna be a monster. This is gonna be a monster, YouTube. Y'all stay locked for the progress on the Chevelle build, man. It been a good day today, man. Another one dropped off. 87 Grand National. He just in for to get rear end work done. Need to get the rear end shortened, get it tucked, mini tugged, frame notched. That's it. I'm just working on the back end. That's it. Another guy put the front suspension on. So he took it from the guy because he wasn't happy. I mean, the work was done nice, but the dude didn't shorten the rear end and he didn't frame notch it. I don't think he jacked them or nothing like that. So the previous shop, he wanted to back half the car, and the car really don't need to be back half for a 10-inch wheel, man. It really don't. If you're going 12-inch wheel, yeah, of course you need to be back half. 10-inch wheel don't need to be back half, man. You know, dude felt like the car was too nice for him to chop it up like they. Maybe it was old Cutlass or something, or Monte Carlos or something. You see it with the back half, but Grand National was too nice of a car for him to want to back half it, man. Which I totally agree. Implicit didn't need a back half. OG motor. He said what he need for me. Going to the motor shop. He going to get new intercooler, new turbo, bigger turbo, ported heads, ported throttle body, fresh tune. But I told him I wouldn't put the ported heads on. I just do the turbo and the injectors. Mess around, might blow it up then. But that's just my 2 cents. But he gonna talk to his motor man. I'm not doing none of the motor work. I'm not a V6 man. I like to get my hands on one to dib and dab on. But yeah, I'm gonna cut probably the night of tomorrow for sure. I'm gonna cut them. But yeah, though, YouTube, that's what we got, man. That's cool. Fresh hot bills, man. You know, we're gonna get enough customers, man. That's it, YouTube, man. Y'all stay locked. Oh, we got a 454 OG motor going LS. Or I said that at the beginning of the video. So that's it, YouTube. Boy, Mr. Get in there over now. What up, YouTube? Faded back. These are rims for the Chevelle MTW. Gold faces, black lips. Real nice look for it. 7-inch back lip. Stay tuned for how to shorten the rim for a 7-inch back lip. Boy, Mr. Getting over now.